Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie, and on this channel you can find all things luxury handbags, neutrals, and elevated style. You can also find me over on Instagram where I'm often styling my brown and beige handbags. In today's video, I have a luxury handbag reveal and it's from The Row. It's my burnt wood bag unboxing. And for those of you that know about The Row's spring 2024 collection, they just released it. I actually have a short video that I'll be sure to link below. Well, they had this amazing color and it's called burnt wood, and I couldn't resist that handbag. So let's just get right into the reveal, shall we? By the size of this box, you can probably tell it's not the Margot bag. This bag is one of the bags that I've been thinking about had to come in the perfect color combination. This came directly from The Row, so you can see here, the nice packaging. Sticker. Look at this little size. Okay, I haven't seen it either, so I'm really excited. It's the burnt wood in the 90s bag. Wow, this is beautiful. The leather. I'm telling you, if you get a chance to look at the leather, it's so good. This burnt wood color is amazing. And they actually just came out with the green leather, and I'm so happy I went with this. I was going back and forth between the Half Moon bag in the burnt wood and then this bag. You know what? I just thought this was the cutest little thing in the burnt wood. You know, it's almost like a fireplace kind of log kind of vibes. But I think it's so cute. Look at this. I think the quality is so good on this. Smooth zipper. Look at that. Two. It's the cutest little like dinner, date night out type of bag. I'm gonna take some of this stuff out so we can see. Honestly, I couldn't resist, you know me and my brown bags. I couldn't resist the burnt wood, the new collection. And the price of this was at $10.90. And I believe on the website it's sold out, but was able to snatch this up early on. Okay, here we go. It's like this little, it's leather lining. Yeah, it's an open hole, but it's leather lined, which is nice. This little cutie, it's like you can just like pop it on. I like that you can adjust to, the straps are adjustable, these little dainty little straps here. Just a cutie. Okay, you know I'm gonna have to like compare it against my other Row bags. I do have my Park Tote and then my more recent Abbey bag, and those bags, they do have different color shades. And shall we do a shade comparison on this channel with my Row bags? I think we need to, right? I think this is so cute and I'm really obsessed with this. If you get a chance to get the burnt wood, I think it's even more amazing in person. The Row website, the images, they really just don't do it justice, especially when you see it against the light. It's such a cute little bag. I'm loving this. And I like to, I could even take this like to work and it's more discreet looking. You really don't know that it's designer, the Row bag. Let's go grab some other Row bags, shall we? So this is my Park Tote. It's this chocolate color and then the burnt wood. Like, look at that. It's definitely a different, like this is chocolatey brown, and then it's got more, I would almost say like reddish type of warmer tones, if you will. I think that's so interesting. Layering on the Abbey. This is also another chocolate, but look at this. This is even more like a warmer chocolate to me, like brownie kind of color. And this is more of like a dark chocolate, I would say, against the wood. But look at that. I think that's so interesting just to see the three. So yes, this is my number 3 Row bag, this little cutie here. Look at that. I love it. I think I also want to see a few mod shots with the 90s bag, and I probably will, honestly guys, get the Half Moon at some point. To me, it's all about finding the perfect shade. I knew the burnt wood. I was so curious about what it looks like, but I think this is an amazing shade, and if you can find it, I'd say grab it. I'm gonna adjust it, and then let's do a little bit of mod shots. The leather on the 90s bag, it's a calfskin leather, which is nice. Everyday bag I would use this for. I just kind of extended. You can see it's got a couple holes here, and I just put it here, and I think it's just like a little like pochette kind of vibes it gives me, right? I like that. So cute. And you can fit it, you know, but I think it's just, I'd probably just hold it as like a top handle, kind of cutie little bag, hold it as a top handle here. Super cute. I think it's a great grab and go type of bag. I just want to show some of the features of this, and I'll put the dimensions on the screen for you guys. The metal on this, it's actually more of a silver. I almost could say it looks almost like gunmetal, but it's definitely not gold. And I actually like that. It adds a little bit more of a casual element to this handbag. And you do have the slim strap and it's adjustable. You got a couple holes on here. There's no feet, but this has the rounded edges, so it's not entirely very like sharp, and it's just a nice, cute bag. Do like that. I would say it feels really nice in your hand. Now, if you're looking for some celebrity style inspo, you can see Jennifer Lawrence, Kendall Jenner, Sophia Richie. They have been wearing this handbag, obviously not in the burnt wood, but in the other colorways. Okay guys, that is it for my video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Also, let me know, what do you think of my 90s bag? Isn't it such a cutie? What did you think of the new collection? Any favorites from it? And obviously the burnt wood was my favorite, that I had to pick it up. And hopefully I can add more row bag. I would love to add like a Margot per my wish list at some point this year, so hopefully that's to come. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, take care.